Welcome to Melber's Weird and Wonderful. Today I will show you how to make this beautiful snowing dripping tumbler, which does something magical. It glows. Thanks so much for watching. I put out at least one new video every week, so please subscribe. Okay, so today we are going to make a snow globe tumbler, a Christmas one or a winter one with snow in it. So we've got our little snowflakes, which I got these at Michael's, but any little snowflakes you have should do. You're going to need glow powder, you're going to need your tumbler, you're going to need some resin dye, which the one I'm using is from Let's Resin. And you're going to need vegetable glycerin, baby oil, and you will need a UV resin to seal up your tumbler, and some kind of tape or glue dot to fill the hole. You also need a hollow walled tumbler with so it's got the two walls in it, and then you'll need a drill to drill it out. And I drill mine out with a 5/16 drill bit. I'm not going to video me drilling it out because I have numerous videos of me drilling them out. Go back to my previous videos, and almost every one of the snow globe tumblers has me drilling out the tumbler, and it's right at the beginning of the video, so you don't have to look very long. Okay, so we've got our tumbler all drilled, and what we're going to do is start with putting the glitter inside the tumbler. This glitter is too big to do it the way I normally do with the squeeze bottle, so I'm just going to dump them in the top the normal way. And I'm just going to push them through the hole. You're just going to poke the little glitter through the hole until all the glitter's in. It's kind of tedious, so I'll be back when I'm done. And now we're going to mix up our solution of glycerin dye and the glowing mica powder. Now, one thing I should mention about the powder is it can settle a little bit in your tumbler, so if that's a problem, then you just give it a little shake, or put more of the glow powder in, but it can settle in time. I find that this glow powder doesn't settle a lot, so this is one I like. And what we're going to do is we're going to mix 30 mils of our vegetable glycerin, and then we're going to mix in our glow powder and our resin dye. And I think I'm going to put probably about, let's see here, maybe about 5 scoops of this glow powder. Hopefully that doesn't change the color too much, and then we're going to put a bunch of our resin dye in here as well, because we want this to be fairly white. So let's give that a little squirt and see what it looks like. I do always like to test a color. If you mix it up, see if it's what you want. If it isn't, add more of whatever color. If it isn't glowing enough, add more glow powder. If it's not the right color you want, add more of the color. Okay, I'm gonna add some more of this resin dye, but it's a little full, so I'm gonna pour it directly into the bottle, and then I'll add some more here. See if we can get this a little milkier. And the glow powder does turn it a little off-colored, so if that's a problem, you don't have to put the glow powder in. I just really love the glowing tumblers. They're pretty much my favorite thing. I'm going to put a whole bunch of this in. And we're going to shake it up. Okay, now we're going to pour this in our tumbler and see how it looks. So after you have your glycerin and dye mixture in, you're going to add the baby oil. Just put it in one of the squirt bottles and fill your tumbler until it's full. Then we're going to seal the top off. Alright, so we've wiped the top off with alcohol, and I've added one of these little Gorilla glue dots. And now we're just going to add the resin, the UV resin, to the top. And if you want to add a few sparkles or glitter, you can. I'm going to add a few of the little snowflakes to the bottom. And then I'm just going to push them in with some of my my little toothpick here, just so they're kind of in the resin and not just hanging out. And then you're going to shine your UV light on this, and you're going to have a done project. And here is our finished tumbler. And as you can see, we've got the snow and the drips. I think it looks quite pretty. And out of all the snow globe tumblers I've made, this is the first one that's actually got snowflakes in it. And you know, this tumbler looks good in the dark or in the light. I think either way it's pretty cool. Thanks so much for watching. I hope you guys have enjoyed this little video. I am trying to reach 1,000 subscribers, so if you could subscribe, it is free and I'd greatly appreciate it. Thank you so much for watching.